So today I am going to show you how to properly download and complete a PDF fillable form. Most of the forms nowadays are located either on the website or in OneDrive. I'm going to show you with the application for dissertation form, which is used for our doctoral program. You'll open the form from your location, either your website or OneDrive. You'll click the download link, and you're going to save the file to your computer. At that point in time, you should be able to click your download options, open the destination folder. I'm going to just go ahead and click on the destination folder to show you where it's located and how to open it with the right program. Some have different types of Adobe programs on their computer. If you right-click on the file and go to Open With, you'll want to open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you do not see Adobe Acrobat Reader for your options, you will want to go to the Adobe website, and you can download Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. So we're going to open it with Adobe Acrobat Reader. And now you should be able to see the fillable form options available. On this particular form, there's only a few options that are included for digital signatures. It's important when you see digital signature options that you complete that appropriately and save it appropriately so that others can complete their field as well. On these types of forms, the students typically will initiate them. They'll put their information on the form at the top, the date, the proposed title of their dissertation, the exam date requested, the time, the building, and the room number. They will also fill out their committee chair here, but this is just this particular form. When you complete it, you'll want to complete your digital signature. So to do that, you will click on the option here for the signature. You can see I have multiples already created. That's because I've done some walkthroughs before and shown others how to create theirs, but I'll show you how to configure a new digital ID. It's super easy. And that how to apply it. Once you configure your signature, you can save it to the Adobe network and then just apply it from there on anytime you have a new form needing to be done. So you'll click Configure New Digital ID. You're going to create a new digital ID and hit Continue. Save to the Windows Certificate Store. That keeps it secure and saves it for easy access. You'll enter all your information up at the top. My unit is Academic Services. Organization is Stephen F. Austin. Add your email. And these other options here you just leave. So really you're just adding your name, your unit, SFA issue, and your email address. Go ahead and hit Save. From there, you'll see your new digital signature that you've created. You'll hit Continue to apply it to your form. It'll show you a preview here, and then you'll hit Sign. In order to apply the signature, you need to save the form. So it's important to give the title or add a name, save it in a location where you'll be able to locate it and access it, desktop or wherever you typically save your forms. And then you'll see it's been applied here. When you close out your form, you should be able to go back to the location where you saved it. Once it opens, you'll see that your digital signature has been saved. But most importantly, it's kept it so that the others that need to sign it have the option to. If you have any issues with saving and opening and utilizing the PD platform for the College of Education, you can contact Joe Straw, the technology manager, and he should be able to walk you through the process. The process should be the same or very similar on a Mac versus Windows desktop. I hope this has been helpful. Have a good day.